Canon shooters, we have just created a brand new LUT pack designed specifically for the C-Log color profile. Perfect for taking your footage from flat and dull to cinematic and vibrant in seconds. Also, it's perfect to use if you want to play around with C-Log 3, but you're just worried about the color grading process. In this video, I'll show you not only what the LUTs can do, but I'll also guide you through a step-by-step guide on exactly how to install them and how you can get the best out of your Canon footage. In this example, we'll show you them working in Premiere Pro. However, they will work on any editing software of your choice, including ones like Final Cut Pro and LumaFusion as well. Now, this brand new LUT pack features 13 individual LUTs specifically designed for the C-Log color profile. So each LUT has a distinctive look from each other, and it's going to absolutely transform your footage. So just if you've got your Canon V1, your R50V, or pretty much any Canon camera, sometimes you get that footage back, you want to shoot in this color profile, but you just can't get it looking right. These LUTs are going to be probably the easiest way that you can transform your footage. So let's go through each one now, and I'll show you how to apply them. So first of all, let's talk about the C-Log to Rec 709 LUT. What is this? Well, if you've filmed in Canon C-Log, this is the LUT to use if you're not specifically looking for a LUT. Maybe you don't want that summery look or that kind of Batman look. You just want your footage to look great straight out of camera. Well, this is the LUT to use. Test this one out. We think it's better than the official Canon C-Log LUT to get your footage looking great straight out of camera. Autumnal. Bring warm, cozy vibes to your footage with rich, earthy tones. You get deep oranges, soft muted greens, and it's perfect for fall seasons, outdoor shots, and creating a cinematic, nostalgic atmosphere. Next up is beach, and this one is pretty self-explanatory. Use this for your beach shots for adding color and pop. Blue tone. Use this for nighttime or low light shots. It's really great for creating that cyberpunk look. Foliage. This one is really great for nature shots, for natural greens and pops. Really good if you're in the forest or you just want to get that foliage looking super fantastic. Food influencer. So this LUT is specifically designed for you if you are a food influencer or you create content about food. So it's basically going to make your food and the colors within that food shine, making your content look delicious. Try this the next time you go out for a meal. Golden hour glow. Use this for golden hour shots. Very warm highlights and soft shadows. Honestly, it makes it look fantastic. Matte film look. This is a very nice flat look to add to your shots. However, it will add some life and unique color palettes to your footage. I actually like using this for some of my own personal travel videos because it's very subtle, but it just looks really, really nice. Pastel dreamy. Similar to the matte look we just talked about, but adds more magenta in the shadows and highlighting the pastel colors within your footage. One to really experiment with and try out. Urban grit. This is one of my favorites from the pack. This creates a nice, grungy, urban look to your shots. Use this for moody city shots and those graffiti-filled streets. Get that gritty New York look with this LUT. Vintage warm. A nice retro vintage look to your shots, adding a warm tone. Warm low light. This one is specifically designed for low light and nighttime shots, but if you'd prefer to not have a cyberpunk look, this adds a warm tone to the shot instead. And then finally, we have a LUT designed for all of your talking head studio shots. We designed this one because we know a lot of you are YouTubers, and just like me, you'll be filming indoors like this, and you just want the shot to look good. You want it to really pop for your YouTube channel or your videos. Try this one out. I think this will be a massive improvement over the standard C-Log official LUT. So let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Now, to use them, import your footage, open Lumetri Color, go to Creative and select this drop-down arrow and then select Browse. Now choose your LUT and then fine-tune the intensity to your liking. Some of the LUTs, you'll find that you'll need to increase or decrease the intensity really to balance it to your footage. Some we've purposely made them a lot harsher when you apply them, but pull them down a little bit, maybe 10, 20%, and you'll get the footage looking fantastic. Now, that's not the only thing to think about. Obviously, if your original shot is underexposed or overexposed, once you've applied the LUT, it might look too light or dark. So just make sure that you go into basic color correction and adjust it to your liking. For example, this beach look LUT, When applied, it really does look too intense. And I know that's going to put a lot of people off if you're just applying it for the first time. But if you bring it down and then just turn the exposure up in basic correction and tweak it just very, very slightly, that's all you need to do. And now it looks absolutely great. And that's it. These brand new C-Log LUTs are ready to take your Canon footage to the next level. Grab your pack now from our website at editorskeys.com. The link is in the description below. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know which LUT is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.